Welcome to Backyard Bosses. I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feasts, and today we are firing up the Pit Boss on this cold winter day to make a bologna blossom. It is taking a small chunk of bologna and we're gonna cut it into little fingers, and then we're gonna season it, smoke it, and serve it with a Chipotle mayo. It is super easy to make, so fire up your Pit Boss and let's get started.
We're gonna preheat the Pit Boss to 250 degrees.
Oh, it is so cold outside. I'm glad to be inside. For this recipe today, we're gonna use a piece of bologna, often called a bologna chop. It's like a big piece of hot dog. Make sure when you're doing this, you buy the one that has a plastic coating on it, not a wax outside. It's a lot harder to get that off, and it'll be easier if you get the one with the plastic. Then you're gonna want a barbecue rub or seasoning. We're gonna use the Sweet Heat rub from Pit Boss today. This is one of my favorite rubs, and it's also really great on chicken and ribs, and super simple. My kids don't even complain saying it's too spicy, which means it's nice and middle of the road. We're gonna use some mustard. Mustard is a super affordable binder, and people always say, why do you use it? Well, I put mustard on my hot dog, so why wouldn't I put it on a bologna chip? Plus, there are 0 calories in mustard, and when you cook it, the flavor profile changes. So it's really just about building flavors while we make this. So a couple different things. You don't have to do all the steps of cutting and slicing that we're gonna do today. You can even just smoke this entirely whole and seasoned, and then it is great if you wanna slice that and serve it like a sandwich. But we're having fun today, and to make this a little bit more exciting, we're gonna do it like a bologna blossom, and as it cooks, it'll just kind of unfold, and then when you go to serve it, you would just pull one of those fingers off, and we're gonna make a Chipotle mayo, and you can dip it in that, or you can serve it with a variety of mustards, or even a whole bunch of condiments. The opportunities are endless, and this is a super fun and affordable appetizer. So let's get to work.
Start by removing the plastic sleeve from your bologna. Then turn it on the flat side. Take your knife and slowly cut down just to about 1 inch from the bottom. You want to keep the base sturdy so it holds its shape. So as it smokes, it will unfold but not fall apart. Each one of the sections was just under 1 inch thick. Again, you can make them thinner or thicker, but too thin, they'll fall apart, and too thick, it won't work as well. Turn your bologna on a 90-degree angle and do the exact same thing the other way. You want to create a checkerboard format. It is pretty easy to slice this bologna, and again, creating uniform shapes will help it cook more evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you might end up with a couple little squirrely ones in the corner there, but you can always pull that off. But you see we have it about 1 inch from the bottom, and now we're gonna put some mustard on it. Do you have to use mustard? No, but I find it really makes it easier for the rub to stick. I'm using a little basic barbecue brush to help brush the mustard through, so I don't have to get my hands all that dirty, but it evenly coats and spreads the mustard nice and thin. Work your way through all the nooks and crevices, spreading that mustard evenly. Once you've tucked mustard into all those nooks and crevices, make sure you brush the outside of your bologna as well. You want to get an even cook all the way around. Makes flavor easier, better. And today, we're going to use the Sweet Heat barbecue rub. This takes a little bit of time, but if you slowly move them apart like this, sprinkle each way, you'll get rub everywhere you need to. That's where the mustard as a binder becomes super helpful. It allows things to let it stick quickly and easily. Once you've coated your entire bologna chub inside and out with your barbecue rub, it's ready for the grill. It is kind of like a little piece of art, but as you can see, it still has a uniform shape and isn't falling apart. We're putting it on the grill now. The Pit Boss is at 250 degrees, and we're gonna let this smoke low and slow for just about 1.5 to 2 hours. While it's going, let's make a quick Chipotle mayo. This is super easy. You just need Hellmann's mayonnaise, and then you need barbecue rub. We're using the maple Chipotle. Super simple, about a teaspoon to a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and you have your own homemade maple Chipotle mayo. Now let's get a look at this bologna chub. It has completely transformed into a beautiful, crispy appetizer. Those edges are crispy, it is packed full of flavor, and it is ready to serve. It is really a little piece of art and will no doubt get your company's attention. Let's get it off the grill and onto the tray ready to serve.
And look at this, it is ready to go. We've got Chipotle mayo and a little bit of mustard for some dipping options. Just pull off and away you go. And just think, if you eat the whole thing, you'll be full of bologna. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Backyard Bosses. I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feasts, and this is Backyard Bosses.